Hello class. In this video I'm not really going to show any new features. I just wanted to show what your completed exterior model should look like with all the windows and things completed. So we just take a quick tour here. We can see we've got all the windows made. We got this. I've added the overhangs to here, and I've added the porches and the decks and the chimney place with even a little hole just pushed out. I just sort of sketched that in and drew it and pushed it in. I've added these beams up through the building, right? So we can see how those sort of look. And other things I've also added, I've added a plane on the ground because eventually we're going to be casting shadows on the ground. So I've added just a big plane on the ground. And I've even gone ahead, even though maybe you argue this is interior stuff, but I've even added a foundation. So I've pulled it through the ground and added this, and that's because later on in the semester we are going to be doing section perspectives, and so we can see the foundation and the basement in that case. Not entirely important right now, but I sort of did it. Some other little details that I've done is I've drawn on this sort of line here for the base, because we're going to put different materials there eventually. So there'll be the foundation essentially coming up here, and then this will be siding. So I sort of struck that line across my model so I can get that material out when we do materials in a few videos from now, or even a week from now. So we can sort of see the entirety. We can see how this sort of sits in, and how all these are at different levels to cast shadows, all the trim and all the stuff that I sort of talked about in the previous video. So that's the complete exterior model. What I'll be doing is showing you a little bit about how to consider doing the interior stuff. And again, we're not going to be dealing with the interior stuff right away, but we will get to section perspectives, and so that is that. So we pick up there in the next video.